Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this amazing melt in your mouth butter cookie, which I use chocolate and vanilla. This turned out so delicious, it will literally melt in your mouth, trust me. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I added in powdered sugar, cornstarch, vanilla extract, a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness, sunflower oil. I'll add in butter. So as you can tell, my butter is very soft. If yours is quite hard, just put it in the microwave for 15 seconds and it will just be like this, guys. After, mix all those ingredients together till well combined before adding in the flour. After everything has come together, I'll go ahead and add in my flour. So I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. After, I'll mix until well combined, but the flour I didn't add it all at once. I added in half, and then whilst everything was almost about to come together, I added in the rest. So this is the point where I'll mix until it's smooth, until everything has come together. So the dough, it shouldn't be that hard, it should be something soft like this. It should be very soft. If you think it's hard, just add in about a tablespoon of sunflower oil. And that's it, guys. Just look at it. It's very soft and it's very easy to work with. So I divided mine into 3 equal parts. Roll it and set it aside. So I kept one in the bowl and then I added in a tablespoon of cocoa powder. After adding in the cocoa powder, make sure you mix it till well combined. So that's the color you're looking for. It should be a light brown color like this. I'll roll it in a ball shape and keep it aside. So I'll bring the other one in, adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of dark cocoa powder. So as you can tell, the other one is going to be a little bit lighter than this one that I'm doing. So make sure you make it like this. Mix it together to well combine. If it is not dark enough, add in about a tablespoon of dark cocoa powder. And basically there's it. You have 3 colors. You have the cream color, the light brown color, and the dark brown color. That's it, guys. So we're going to mix all those 3 together, but we're going to roll it in a ball shape. Bring about 10 grams, like few a little as demonstrated in the video, and roll it in a ball shape just like so. And do the same to the others, the brown one and the dark one as well. So roll all into a ball shape. Have fun. Let your kids be with you. Let them help you. Have fun with them in the kitchen. This cookie has no formula. All you have to do is whatever comes in your mind, just do it. Bring one of each and then bring them together as demonstrated in the video, and make sure they come close together. After, put them on your palm and roll it. Just make sure they are all together and roll it. Basically that's it, guys. This is very easy, is extremely easy. So when you roll it, there's something like this. That's what you're going to get. After, you can mix the colors, just any color that comes to your mind. You can do black and white, you can do the brown one and the white one, you can do the dark brown one and the brown one, like as demonstrated. Do anything, whatever comes in your mind, just do it. Just do it. And as you can tell, they turn out so beautiful, guys. It was beautiful. And not only beautiful, but it is delicious as well. It is delicious. It will literally melt in your mouth, guys. Look at this cookie. It has no formula. Just close your eyes, bring it, let your kids help you, and trust me, you're going to come out with different kind of cookies, but very beautiful. After, I baked it at 170 degrees Celsius from 10 to 15 minutes. Maximum it should be 18 minutes. Just keep an eye on it and be checking. It's very easy. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at how it turned out. This is yumicious. This is called yumicious or ginamicious. And it's delicious, guys. It's beautiful, not only beautiful, but it turned out delicious as well. Try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. I hope you really enjoyed it. See you in my next video, and till then, bye bye, guys. Bye bye. This turned out so delicious. Please try it. You don't know what you're missing. Bye bye.